Welcome back to Mindset Money, where we talk about building wealth, increasing income, and achieving financial freedom. If you're looking to make extra cash in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're covering the best side hustles that can actually put real money in your pocket. No gimmicks, no fluff, just proven ways to make money on the side. And stick around until the end, because the last hustle is one that's changing lives and could make you thousands per month. Let's get into it. First up is one that I'm sure a lot of you have considered: freelancing. And look, I get it. When you hear the word freelancing, what's the first thing that comes to mind? If you're anything like me, it's probably someone hunched over their laptop at 2 a.m., desperately trying to meet a deadline for like $5 an hour. But let me tell you, that stereotype is so outdated. Freelancing in 2025 is not about pennies for your thoughts, it's about leverage, baby. You take a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, even something as niche as voiceovers, and you turn it into a money-making machine. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are like the stock market of skills, and you get to set your price. And the best part is, you don't need some fancy degree to get started. All you need is the hustle to hone your craft and deliver consistent, high-quality work. I'm talking $500, $1,000, even $2,000 or more per month, just by putting in a few hours here and there. And once you build up your clientele and your reputation, sky's the limit. You could go full-time freelance and kiss your 9-to-5 goodbye. But how do you get started? It's simpler than you think. First, pick your lane. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you've got your skill locked in, create profiles on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Think of them like your online storefronts. Don't be afraid to start small. Take on a few smaller jobs to build up your portfolio and get those all-important client reviews. Those reviews are social proof like gold in the freelancing world. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can start raising your rates, attracting bigger clients, and ultimately, calling the shots in your freelance empire. Oh, and one more pro tip before we move on. Don't be afraid to leverage the power of AI. Tools like ChatGPT can help you blast through writing tasks, while Canva can make you a design wizard even if you can't draw a straight line. Alright, next up we're diving into the world of print on demand, or POD. Now this side hustle is all about maximizing profit and minimizing hassle. You see a cool design on a t-shirt and think, hey, I could make that. Well, guess what? You absolutely can, and you can sell it too, without ever having to touch a screen printing machine or pack a single box. This is how it works. You come up with awesome designs. It could be for anything from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs, posters, even phone cases. Then, you upload those designs to platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. These platforms handle everything else. The printing, the shipping, the customer service, you name it, they've got it covered. Your job is to be the creative genius behind the designs. You can list your creations on massive marketplaces like Etsy, or even build your own online store with Shopify. And the best part, every time someone buys your design, you make money. Let's say you're selling a t-shirt for $25. After the base cost and platform fees, you're looking at a cool $10 profit per shirt. Imagine if just a few of your designs go viral. That's passive income flowing in while you sleep, dream, and design even more awesome stuff. And hey, if you're not a design whiz, no problem. Canva's got your back with tons of templates and tools. You can even experiment with AI art generators like DALL-E 2 to bring your wildest design ideas to life. Okay, let's switch gears to a side hustle that's perfect if you've got a knack for teaching and a passion for sharing knowledge: online tutoring. Now, I'm not talking about stuffy classrooms and endless lesson plans. Online tutoring is all about flexibility, convenience, and making a real difference in someone's life while padding your bank account, of course. Think about it. Are you a math whiz who can explain complex equations in your sleep? Maybe you aced your SATs and could guide high schoolers to success. Or perhaps you're fluent in another language and want to help others unlock the power of communication. Whatever your area of expertise, there's a student out there who needs your help. Websites like Chegg Tutors, Wizant, and VIPKid, especially if you're looking to teach English as a second language, are amazing platforms to connect with students of all ages and levels. And the pay, it's not too shabby, my friends. We're talking $20, $30, even $50 or more per hour, depending on your experience and the subject you teach. The beauty of online tutoring is that you don't need to be a certified teacher to get started. If you're knowledgeable, passionate, and good at explaining things in a clear, concise way, you've got what it takes. Plus, you get to set your own hours, work from anywhere in the world, and witness those aha moments firsthand as your students grasp new concepts. It's a rewarding side hustle both financially and personally. Chapter 4. Now let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing, where influencers and everyday people alike are cashing in by simply recommending products they love. Ever wonder how those YouTubers and bloggers seem to make money without selling anything directly? Affiliate marketing is the secret sauce. You see, it's all about partnerships. You partner with brands and companies you believe in and become an affiliate for their products or services. Then you seamlessly weave these products into your content, whether it's a blog post, a YouTube video, a social media update, or even an email newsletter. The key is authenticity. You're not just pushing random products for a quick buck, you're genuinely recommending things you use and believe in. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link, which you get when you sign up for a program, and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its passive income potential. You put in the work up front to create great content and strategically place your affiliate links. Then, you can earn commissions on autopilot as long as people are clicking and buying. There are tons of amazing affiliate programs out there, catering to every niche and interest. You've got Amazon Associates where you can earn commissions on practically anything under the sun. Then there's ClickBank and Digistore24, specializing in digital products like ebooks and online courses, often with higher commission rates. And if you're looking to partner with big-name brands, platforms like ShareASale and Impact have got you covered, connecting you with companies like Nike, Adidas, and countless others. The best part? You don't need a massive following to start earning. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Build trust by being transparent about your affiliate relationships, and watch the commissions roll in. Chapter 5. Alright, let's talk about one of the hottest side hustles out there right now, YouTube automation. I know what you're thinking. Isn't YouTube all about being on camera and having that influencer personality? Well, that's where you're wrong, my friend. YouTube automation flips the script, allowing you to build a profitable online business without ever having to show your face. The beauty of YouTube automation lies in its simplicity. First, you choose a niche. Think about what interests you or what you're knowledgeable about. Finance, tech, luxury, sports, gaming. The possibilities are endless. Once you've got your niche, it's all about creating high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your audience. But here's the kicker. You don't have to be the one in front of the camera. In fact, you don't even have to be the one creating the videos. That's where the automation part comes in. You can hire talented freelancers to handle everything from script writing and voiceovers to video editing and thumbnail design. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines for finding skilled professionals who can bring your vision to life. Now you might be thinking, doesn't hiring freelancers eat into my profits? Sure, there are upfront costs involved, but remember, this is an investment in your business. Once you have a solid library of videos, they work for you 24/7, attracting viewers, generating leads, and ultimately bringing in that sweet passive income. Think about channels like Mindset Money, like this one. They focus on providing valuable information about finance and business without ever showing the face behind the brand. And guess what? Some of these faceless channels are raking in thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per month. The key to success with YouTube automation is twofold. First, create high-quality content that people actually want to watch. Second, optimize your videos for search so that people can actually find them. Don't be afraid to leverage the power of AI tools like ChatGPT for scripting and InVideo for editing to streamline your content creation process. Chapter 6. Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning, check your email, and boom, you've made money while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's the reality of selling digital products, the ultimate side hustle for those seeking passive income and unlimited earning potential. The beauty of digital products is that once they're created, they can be sold over and over again without any additional overhead. No inventory to manage, no shipping costs to worry about, just pure profit directly into your pocket. But what kind of digital products can you create? The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Let's start with ebooks. Are you an expert in a particular field? Share your knowledge and insights in a comprehensive guide, a step-by-step how-to manual, or a collection of valuable templates. Speaking of templates, Notion templates are all the rage right now. From productivity and budgeting to business planning and content creation, People are willing to pay for templates that make their lives easier and more organized. And if you have a knack for teaching, why not create an online course? Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easier than ever to package your knowledge into bite-sized modules, complete with video lessons, downloadable workbooks, and even community forums. Creating a digital product might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. You don't need any fancy software or technical skills to get started. Use Canva or Google Docs to design beautiful ebooks, leverage your existing skills and knowledge to create valuable templates, and film high-quality videos using just your smartphone. The key is to focus on creating a product that solves a specific problem for your target audience. What are people struggling with? What information are they searching for? Once you have a product that provides real value, the next step is to get it out there into the world. You can sell your digital products directly from your website, through social media platforms, or on online marketplaces like Etsy and Gumroad. Outro, there you have it. The best side hustles to boost your income in 2025. From freelancing and print on demand to online tutoring, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and selling digital products, there's a side hustle out there for everyone, regardless of your skills, experience, or interests. So, what are you waiting for? Choose the side hustle that speaks to you, take that first step, and start building your path to financial freedom. Which side hustle interests you the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making tip from Mindset Money. See you in the next video.